Hello friends, this is Rahul from Indian Scale Modeler, and today I'm going to do a kit review of M1A1 Abrams kit. I'm currently going to build this small tank model, and I saw there are not quite good reviews of this kit on the internet. So I thought I can do a review of this, and it will be helpful for the guys who build this because this is a very commonly available kit. Okay, so this is a Revell kit. This is a very famous American tank, the M1A1 Abrams. The HA stands for heavy armor. I would like to give some information about this tank. So frequently this is described as the most advanced tank in the world. The M1A1 Abrams is unique in that it is powered by a gas turbine engine instead of diesel engines which many other tanks are powered by. Abrams has an excellent armor protection and is also able to fire and hit targets while moving thanks to its stabilized gun mount. The M1A1 is improved over the original M1 and features a new 120 main gun, increased frontal armor and improved environmental controls. The M1A1 Abrams is currently the most up-to-date standard American tank. The front turret armor incorporates depleted uranium and the breaker plates on the turret are equipped with special valves. This is the form in which the Abrams was used in Desert Storm, and it is the tank currently used by the American forces including in Europe. The M1A1 HA is driven by an AGT 1500 gas turbine developing 1500 horsepower, reaching a maximum speed of 66 kilometers per hour. Now this kit is a reissue of the tried and tested M1A1 Revell kit. As usual from Revell, all parts are poured very clean. The kit itself consists of 4 sprues, decals and the assembly instructions. So we will check it out. So yes, here are the 4 sprues. All parts are poured very clean. I'll give you a close-up shot of this. So there are 4 sprues. So these are the small decals. It's pretty tiny, given that it is a 1/72 scale. And these are the assembly instructions. So yes, this is the sprue layout. And these are the assembly instructions. And it can be made in 2 color schemes. So one is the Operation Iraqi Freedom, that is the one which I am going to opt for, and another is for the B Company 4th Cavalry, Bosnia-Herzegovina 1996. Despite its age, this kit is very detailed and it does not hide anything from the similar kits in its scale with which it can be compared today. The manageable number of components allow a quick installation, which is why it is also very well suited for beginners like me and like you, of course. The hull features fine engraved raised detail as I showed. The turret is rotating. So this is a gun. The gun comes in a single piece. So there we do not need to glue 2 halves together. I am excited to start building this kit. So please like and subscribe to my channel, share the video, and I'll see you soon.